How to get verified on Tinder application. Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can verify your account on Tinder application. It's very easy. It takes only a few steps, and after that your account will get verified and you will get the blue tick mark. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your Tinder application, and after opening the Tinder application you need to go to your profile. And once you go to your profile, here is you can see my name is mentioned and the age is mentioned as well, and there is a tick mark which is not highlighted, is blue. So that means that my account is not yet verified. So what I can do to verify my account, I will just tap on that verify sign, and then they say that get verified. But how? Prove you're the person in your profile by taking 2 selfies. If you match, boom, you are verified. That means that you need to take 2 selfies and then they will match. They will compare those 2 selfies with your profile picture or the picture you already added to your account, and if that match, then you can get the blue tick mark and your account will be verified. So it's very easy. Just tap on the next, and once you tap on the next, here they explain that the same thing that I told you. We will use facial recognition technology to ensure you are the real you by comparing your facial geometry in your selfies and profile picture. So this is how it works. If that comparison is completed and you're the same person, then you will get your account verified. So you need to tap on verify me, and that will take you to this page. And here, as you can see, in the next step you will imitate that this pose as closely as possible. So you need to just tap on first pose. I will not do it. Once you come to this point, you just tap on the first pose and your camera will open. The application will ask you about the permission to your camera like this while using this app only this time, and deny. You can deny. If you want to verify, you can just tap on only this time or while using the application, and then you need to do exactly the same pose as they show here. And once you're done with this, you will take a selfie, and then the next selfie as well, they will show you another pose, and when you take that selfie as well, then they will compare it. So be authentic. If you're using authentic pictures on your profile already, and then you take selfies, then your account can easily be verified. And once your account is verified, then you will get more matches and you will get more likes as well. So this is how it works. Very easy, a few steps, and your account can be verified very easily. But the most important thing is that you should use authentic profile picture before verifying your account. If both pictures doesn't match, that means that your account will not be verified. So I hope guys you like the video. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel so you will get the notification of our new videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.